AI, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI models, and very recently, prompt engineering. So, what's prompt engineering? Well, even before I talk about what is prompt engineering, I'm sure you all might have heard that AI is going to take away 30% of the jobs available in the market. Some say even 50%. Whatever it be, right? I don't want to get into a debate on this, but is that really true? Well, maybe to some extent, yes, or maybe to a larger extent as well. So the only way to cope around it is to learn it. Let me explain you in very simple words. Imagine you have a wild horse, right? No one can have a great control over it. So what is the only option left over here to have a control over it? Understand the behavior of that horse and try to tame it. And then you rule over that horse. Or maybe one more example in layman terms. I'll not name a company, but it's kind of a proper real-time use case over here. And that's like there was a company, let's call it as BB Bus Services. People used to say that BB Bus Services are the most dangerous buses on the road. Why so? Well, the only reason over here that there are a lot of accidents which are happening on the road because of BB Bus Services. Okay, so what is the solution to it, right? If you are on the road and if you see a BB bus coming, then you are likely to get killed by that bus because the chances of the accidents to happen are quite high. So if you're on a bike, if you're on the road, if you're on the car, your life is at risk. What is the solution? Travel in that bus. If you're traveling in the BB buses, you are the most safe person because you are likely in a safer position. And that's exactly where you have to be by learning AI. And that is exactly where the next step of AI comes, which is very trending nowadays and quite up market, prompt engineering. Well, prompt engineering has vast applications, but let me discuss one quick application to keep the video very short that's related to the chatbots. So what is exactly prompt engineering? Well, prompt engineering in chatbots could be like, let's say we are building a chatbot to help the users to book flight. Now, one of the things the chatbot needs to ask to the user is the arrival and the departure cities. And to do this, we use prompt engineering. So what is prompt? What are we prompting, or what is the user going to prompt us? We try to engineer that, derive that, understand that. So we are trying to use prompt engineering to generate different variations of the same prompt to increase the likelihood that the user will respond with the information we need or my chatbot needs. As simple as that. Let me give you an example. You can frame it like, please tell me your departure and arrival cities. Some of the variations could be, what are the cities you are flying from and to? Or can you share the names of the cities you will be departing from and arriving to? Or maybe like, we will need to know your departure and the arrival cities to book your flight. What are they? Can you please tell us? Or which two cities are you traveling in between? So by creating variations of the prompt using the different words and phrasings, we are increasing the likelihood that the user will understand the question and provide the information we need. We means the chatbot developers. And this is an example of prompt engineering in action. Well, many more live examples of this, but I will like to end it over here. Thank you very much. Stay connected for more updates. Bye-bye.